Question number 7. Question number 7 is in the S block elements used as a catalyst in the manufacture of Buna S rubber is. So one should know that Buna S rubber means it is called as butadiene styrene polymer. So in this butadiene styrene polymer, sodium is used as a catalyst. Hence, the correct option for the given question is option D. Next one, question number 8. Alkali metals have negative reduction potential and hence they behave as. So here it has been given as it has negative reduction potential. So they have mentioned it with what? Alkali metals. So we know that these alkali metals act as strongest reducing agents because we know that these alkali metals undergo oxidation. So this can be explained with a example of sodium metal. When sodium metal is subjected to oxidation, it gives rise to Na plus of an electron means loss of electron. Loss of electron means oxidation. Oxidation means it is undergoing self-reduction. Hence, this metals acts as an strongest reducing agent, which is given by the option C. Next one, question number 9. A metallic oxide reacts with water to form its hydroxide, hydrogen peroxide, and also liberates oxygen. The metallic oxide could be, so here the metallic oxide that can give hydroxide, hydrogen peroxide, and oxygen is superoxides. So in this potassium superoxide, that is KO2, potassium superoxide has the ability to give its hydroxide, hydrogen peroxide along with the liberation of oxygen, which is given by the option B. If I consider the reaction for this, the reaction can be written as KO2, that is potassium superoxide. When it is subjected to react with water, it gives rise to KOH. Along with KOH, it gives hydrogen peroxide along with the liberation of oxygen. Hence, the correct option is option B. Next one, question number 10. The salt which responds to dilute and concentrated sulfuric acid is. Here, out of all the given salt, the salt that can react with dilute and concentrated sulfuric acid is barium nitrate, that is BaNO3 twice, which is given by the option A. Question number 11. Plaster of Paris is represented as. We know that plaster of Paris is given by the formula CaSO4 plus of half H2O. This is called as plaster of Paris. And this plaster of Paris is given by the option C, that is CaSO4 half H2O. Next one, question number 12. Dead burnt plaster is called. See, always this dead burnt plaster is called as anhydrous calcium sulfate. The anhydrous calcium sulfate is known as dead burnt plaster, which is given by the option A. Last question, that is question number 13. The metal nitrate that liberates NO2 means nitrogen dioxide on heating is. So the first option is what? NaNO3. So this NaNO3 upon heating gives rise to NaNO2 along with the liberation of what? Oxygen. So the second option is what? Lithium nitrate, that is LiNO3. When lithium nitrate is subjected to heating, it gives rise to its oxide along with nitrogen dioxide along with the liberation of oxygen. So this is the example what they have asked, the metal nitrate that liberates NO2. So the correct option for the given question is what? Option B. Now let us go through with the other two reactions also. They have mentioned with what? Potassium nitrate. When potassium nitrate is subjected to heating, it gives rise to potassium nitrite along with the liberation of oxygen. In the same way, when rubidium nitrite is subjected to heating, it gives rise to rubidium nitrite along with the liberation of oxygen gas. Hence, the correct option for the given question is option B.